Technics, and well, welcome to the New Year's firework vlog. Never knew that this would actually happen, but here we are, starting off the vlog with some fireworks shopping and Phantom Fireworks of racing, and yes, we have been here, and there's like no one here. Look at this, guys. All the regular stuff that you would see at Phantom. Oh, there's even the parachutes. Oh. And they're 50% off. No. They're one.
When making plans for the new year, who are you gonna call? That's right, the 1984 film Ghostbusters will be rolling into the Bradley Symphony Center through January 1st.
Oh, and flying jacks, we already have them. Tornado. I don't know what that one does, but I think it's one of those that just spins on the ground. Probably remember all of these Roman candles. Or wait, those are Roman candles. Oh my. There's vibrant voltage. Happiness fountain. This is the one I'm really interested in. Right, so now we're checking out. We end up getting Brew Deja Vu and a frog thing. There's some snappers. Well, cool stuff. There's the Tesla coil. Okay, so the Tesla coil show is going to happen in 2 minutes. And there was also something firework related once over there.
Yep.
Fire. Combustion.
Small fire, and then very little water, right?
Figured I'll include this in a New Year firework vlog because, I mean, this is actually educational. Cool stuff, guys. There's the Tesla coil.
In 2 minutes and 10 seconds, the Tesla coil will fire.
There's also some cool stuff down that way. Oh yes, fireworks.
So feel it in your chest? That's what it is.
It's gonna be just a educational video on the Tesla coil.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Near maze.
Hey, oh, this is easy. Oh, this is easy. I can
Yep.
tell. This is not a mirror. That's a mirror. That's a mirror. That's a mirror. So we go here.
I'm gonna follow my brother here because
I know how to tell if it's a mirror or not. That's a mirror. Look, see?
yeah, because like
This is the real me. This is the real me. Wait, that's a joke. That's a mirror, right? Is that you?
Oh yeah,
I keep thinking that.
he's real.
Oh.
Oh,
Didn't.
go that way.
And then that. And then that.
Oh my god.
Dead end. Okay, let's go this way.
Oh, this is a dead end.
Yes.
Oh, it is.
Sad.
Oh, it's easy. Oh,
Are you ready? This way.
Oh, here,
Oh
go.
my god. Oh, this way.
Look at it. I don't think these are real people.
Yes. There's a lot. But it's too easy.
Oh my god, don't run, don't run.
Finish. That's too easy. Now we need to go back. Easy. That's too easy. Should
How
we
did
go
we
in?
make it?
That's too quick. Should we go again? Isn't this place cool?
so cool.
Oh, we got out. Yeah, that's easy. Okay.
Oh,
And I did it again. Oh wow, guys, look at all these drones. There's DJI Phantom 3, I think. Let's see. Should be one of the. Yeah, oh, that's actually a Phantom 2.
There's DJIs. There's similar.
There's that is a Hubsan X4. It's one of those toy grade drones. Oh, look at that big one. There's one of those sky crawler things. Oh, look at that tiny one. Oh guys, look at this. $16 for one of these toy planes. To be honest, I think that's even more overpriced than Phantom Fireworks. Okay, so well, I would say it's the end of you know, all this kind of stuff. So, okay. Oh yeah, I probably didn't say this, but we were actually in the Museum of Science and Industry of Chicago. So I guess for now, well, stay tuned for the fireworks. Alright guys, well, we're back home. Yeah, this happened. So yeah, it's currently December 30th and I figured I would do an edit of me fixing some of these neon rockets because, like, the thing is, these sticks sometimes tend to come out of them. As you can see, and like, here's one that's like completely fallen apart. So I have some tape, and we're just gonna do it on all of them, because why not? I mean, I do want them to be as safe as possible, and I do want to light every single one of them off. Because, yeah. And of course, the paper. Right. There's one. rockets all ready to go. Of course, there's also, here's actually the rest of the stash. Figured I would show it off right now. And all of the neon rockets we had, I put them in here because someone decided to destroy this. And here's the rest of the stuff we have. We have more crackling balls, and then we have some zippers, of course. Oh. We even have a whole bunch of these. Oh, this looks like, wow, sure have a lot of stuff. See, it looks like we have all of this. Yeah. And of course there's the stuff that we bought. Yeah, can't wait for tomorrow, guys. Should be fun. Oh yeah, and almost forgot. Look at all the sparklers we have. We have these Phantom Fireworks neon sparklers. And we have the regular ones. And of course, now there's the big stuff. Ooh yeah.
I'm here too. I'm
Yeah, the same people from the 4th of July.
Here to complain.
I mean, tomorrow there is going to be like a huge meetup. Hey, Stefan. Want to show off your crackling balls to the fans?
Hey yo.
I found a whole bunch of your crackling balls. Are you going to light any?
Stefan, start moaning.
He's like...
Stefan, moan. No, never. Stefan, start moaning. I'm no furry. Just moan. I am no furry. Moan once so everyone knows how you moan. No, I'm not a furry. Just moan. Okay. Moan. Now it's you moan. Now okay, now just complain. No, it's your time to moan. Me and Stefan do not give gifts for New Year. But everyone else, everyone gets
well, at
some.
least you'll have some crackling balls to light. Now we're going to be shooting off some fireworks. Before that, my brother is going to do a cool sparkler. He's like unimpressed. Hey, but wait.
This is the most depressed sparkle I ever see.
Whoa.
That was a bad. That was.
And even though it's December 31st, there's no snow.
This isn't July 4th, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't be wearing coats if it was July. And you might recognize this place from the 4th of July vlog.
Finished.
Oh, yay. So let's do some, let's see. Want to do some crackling balls? Yeah. Right, so my dad's trying to get the punk to light. Wait. I think it's good actually. There, it's, yeah, it's smoldering.
Come
so
on, let's go.
Wait, no, do the crackling balls in the sand.
In the sand?
Yeah.
Who does them in the sand?
Right here it goes. You remember what to do.
Yeah, but just I can't see the fire.
Oh, here, let me help you. Make sure you find the red spot and then make sure it's touching the tip of the fuse. It's that simple.
I know, it's just I can't find the
There.
red spot. Oh.
See? You found it. Now make sure it's touching. Come on.
There's a bigger red spot.
Okay, fine. Hold it. But don't keep your head over it. Wait.
Oh, I see, I see.
Wait. Okay, let my dad do it.
I guess
Yeah. Damn.
now it's time to poke it. Is it finished?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
Can you see me? So here goes a Phantom Fireworks Crackling ball. Ah.
3, 2, 1, throw it. Grenade. Is it even? That was in the shot. That was in the shot. Now
Oh, you
it's.
got that?
Wait, is it
Wait,
finished?
here goes another one. Wait, wait.
Is it finished? I want to poke it.
Wait.
Yep, I got that in the shot. Let me poke it. Wait, I need to
stop
poke
it.
it. I need to poke it. The most important part. Yep, it's finished.
So now we're gonna do some rockets. My dad has a jumbo whistling rocket from Wolfpack. Well, it's Phantom Fireworks, and I have a Neon Moon Traveler.
You only do Phantom Fireworks. Of course it's Phantom Fireworks.
Okay, mine's lit. Dad.
I don't know if I got that in the shot though.
Okay, make sure you get my dad's. Oh, he got his to light. So here it goes. Wow, that echo though.
At least we heard it. I don't know if I saw it.
Oh,
Oh yay!
it
Wait,
fell.
can I poke it? I need to poke it. I need to poke it.
Look at that, look at that. The stick came out.
Yes, I can poke it.
I don't know what the people thought about that, but that echo was sick from that whistler. Honestly. I'm not sure if you guys could hear it on camera, but like here, I'm gonna try and light another one. Make sure it's pointing away from people.
So you ready?
Wait. All right, I'm gonna light mine now. And it's gonna go that way. And there goes the echo. Man, those echoes though. I'm not sure if you guys are hearing that, but that's sick. I love those echoes. For whatever reason, the crackle doesn't work on them anymore. Could be because we had those sitting here for a while. All right, so now we're just gonna do more fireworks randomly. This should be fun. Whoa, almost tripped. Oh, look at that, guys. It actually landed and it got stuck. That was fun. So now we're gonna light some zippers. And this should be fun. Makes a good thumbnail. Is it lit? Oh yeah, it is. That echo. Alright, here comes another one, which is my last one. The rest I'm gonna save for New Year's. Wow, those are awesome. I love zippers. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get this Saturn missile battery all set up for... No, I'm not gonna get that shot. Wait, I know a really cool shot that we can do, so just wait. But for now, I'm gonna secure this missile battery with, yeah. All right, we're finally ready to fire. All right, guys, so now we have the drone up in the air. You ready to light? So wait, now I'm gonna give you a countdown and then we're gonna both light them at the same time, okay? All right. In 3, 2, 1. Mine is lit. Oh my gosh, guys, that was so epic. Oh my god, and I got both of them in the shot too. Oh my god, that was so epic. Oh my god, you can still see the smoke. Oh yes, this was epic. Like for that for sure. That was so fun, guys. So yeah, happy early new year 2023. All right guys, so now we packed up our equipment. And gosh, I think I lost my, wait, did I think I lost my lighter. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is.
See, told you I didn't lose it. Well, time to go get some milk.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I actually got a cool shot. You could see both of the Saturn missiles clearly in the camera. I really hope that's gonna be a great video for you all. One missile didn't explode, by the way. Yeah, one of them didn't go off. I think it was in mine. Yeah, it was mine that had one dud, but it's not bad. All right, so the rest of the fireworks we're gonna save for New Year's. And there's, no, I wonder where's the dud.
See, told you.
Oh, there's one dud. I think I can tell why exactly, because see, like, yeah,
it's chipped.
Yeah, it's like stuck in there. It's like, see that? And we have a whole bunch of these moon travelers to light, so I can't wait to do them. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.
And this is a corpse of a fallen person.
Yep.
Found it in the dirt.
Oh yeah. And yeah, he got my camera.
I'm a professional with cameras. You can give me your cameras for a year and they won't break.
Oh, by the way, I don't think anyone knows this, but I actually have a GoPro.
And of course, this is the first video on this channel.
Yeah,
you've done with the GoPro.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna be getting ready for New Year's. Also, guys, keep in mind, always throw away used fireworks because we don't want to pollute our planet, right? Yeah, that's probably the most painful part of every firework video is like cleaning up, and everyone knows that.
The camera is not stable.
I'll make it stable.
Okay.
Just put it on a tripod and stick it somewhere, then it's gonna be totally stable. But yeah, anyway, see you later. Why do you look like a I don't know, like an elf?
I don't know if I'm Santa Claus. And number 2, you look like a troll.
Wait, for real?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
See? You have blue hair.
Oh no.
Editing magic. Hey.
Yep, editing magic. But yeah.
Oh, I get it now.
Okay, so now we're back. And it's currently 11:52 with around gosh, 8 minutes till New Year. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, there's 40 seconds until 2023.
30 seconds!
Yep, 30 seconds. So, what I would want to wish for this new year is definitely get more subscribers on my fireworks channel. The Siren channel is going really well. Hopefully we can make it to 500 very soon. And we have 20 seconds until New Year. And we're going to be lighting off some phantom fireworks. 8. Oh.
4, 3, 2,
1. Happy 2023! Happy 2023, guys. So like I said, we're going to be lighting off some of these phantom fireworks sparklers. Now you can hear some probably you can hear some fireworks. And I'm gonna light my blue neon sparkler from Phantom. There we go.
Holy frick!
Here, wait. Helicopter. I'm gonna do this. Oh yes. They're shooting a cake from there.
Отнесите фейерверки, давай. Теперь подальше от машин отнесите.
Oh yes, that was a good one.
I dig my helicopter.
I'm still going.
Wow.
Oh guys, look at that. Oh my god, that was so low. Alright guys, so the day of fireworks continues. We're back home now. So you can still hear some fireworks going off, maybe. Well, all right, they're just messing around, but there were some fireworks. They stopped for now, but it stops, but it comes back on. So what do you guys expect for tonight? What?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh yeah, and he has some snappers. Like here, do a few snappers. Do it again.
Why?
Because here, I got better lighting now, so there he's getting. Oh. And there you can actually see them. There's all the snappers. Yeah, those are awesome novelty fireworks, not gonna lie. Okay, can I see the box from them so I can show the viewers what brand they are? Oh, they're classic TNT Fireworks poppets, it looks like. Yeah, hope you love that. So now we're just waiting on a few other people, and then we're gonna do some of the big stuff that we have. So we're gonna start off with some rockets and some novelties, and then work our way up to the Deja Vu, which is the 24 shot 200 gram cake. Yeah, should be fun. All right, so we got a few bricks for the cake. Here's the mortar tube for our bottle rockets, because we don't have anything else. All right, so now we're going to be doing some crackling balls. All right, so here goes. If only I can light it right.
Oh no! It will explode!
Yes. Right guys, I'm gonna do a few zippers. Guys, stand clear. I'm gonna do a zipper. Oh, хорош. All right, now it's time for some neon moon travelers. Gosh, this one is the one I took the wrapper off.
I didn't see one.
That was a firecracker on a stick.
I didn't see that. Oh, flip, I didn't get the last one. Got that one though.
That was awesome. Guys, watch over there. Oh, that one had the crackle.
I got the crackle. Oh, that one had the crackle, bro. Oh no. I got the crackle. Oh.
Okay. Both are lit. That's good. Oh yes. That was epic. Here goes Fiery Frogs by Phantom Fireworks.
My favorite firework so far. Run.
Alright, it's a firework fountain, so.
Oh, that one's sick. Sheesh. Oh, the mouth glows. I bet you can't see it. Yay! Okay, that was... No people were harmed during this video. This is epic.
Alright guys, so here goes Brew Haha by Phantom Fireworks. Oh gosh, this is smoky as hell.
Is it Deja Vu?
No, this is Brew Haha. The Deja Vu is going to be a cake. So you guys would have to go way far back when I light the cake.
Oh.
How are you guys over here liking it?
Yeah, of course. Fun.
Oh, there goes the whistle.
That sounds fun.
Alright guys, so now we're about to light Deja Vu. And yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun, as this is a cake. Luckily there was this corner, so it's going to be nice and secure. And now we're going to get the bricks. So yeah, now I'm just going to put the bricks around it so it won't tip over. But before that we gotta find the fuse first. And
It's right here.
alright, but I do have to take the top off. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna light. Alright guys, so now here goes Deja Vu by, wait, I'm gonna make sure it's alright, here goes Deja Vu by Phantom Fireworks. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Really hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. Alright guys, so now we gotta clean up after ourselves, but
I'm still here.
this was a lot of fun to film. Alright guys, so I really hope you have an amazing New Year 2023. And I guess we'll see you in the next one, because now we gotta clean all this up. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed these fireworks. So yeah, bye. Happy New Year.